What's going on, Chemical Guys family? Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. Here at Chemical Guys, we've been listening to your comments and questions, and we finally answered your prayers with something you guys have been asking for, and that is our brand new pressure washer. That's right, the pressure washer is going to help hone your detailing skills. It puts pressure on you to get done with your details faster and better. So today we're going to open the box up and show you what's inside. So now we're going to start by opening the box. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Whoa, it's about time you got me out of this box.
So tell us, what do you do?
Well, Nick, basically I'm here to watch you and make sure you're doing everything properly and fast because I'm hungry, man. We got places to go and things to eat.
I like it. So on the side of the box, the pressure washer tells you exactly what this is going to do for you, but also there's some things to keep in mind. So as you see, the box says it runs on tacos. For some reason, my pressure washer is really drawn to Italian food. He was in my lasagna earlier and, sorry about that. I ate most of it.
I'll tell you what, that lasagna was really good, Nick, but I'm super starving. So can we get this moving? We got a reservation in like an hour at Boca de Beppo.
Hopefully he's paying. So guys, we're going to start on this 2-bucket wash method.
I hope you got your dirt traps, Nick, because we got to hurry along.
I do have my dirt traps. He's already in it. Let's get started, guys. So use the pressure washer to not only help you hone your detailing skills, whether you're a detailing professional or a beginner, use it to help you clean your wheels.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Help you clean your glass.
Come on, man, spray that like you mean it.
And even in your interior.
I'll do the interior, but only if you give me breadsticks.
He loves breadsticks. So behind me, we have the Subaru, and we're gonna show you just a quick way to use the 2-bucket method to safely remove all that dirt and grime using one of my favorite car wash soaps, Mr. Pink. It smells great and it leaves a thick layer of suds which help to lubricate the surface, guiding off abrasive particles of dirt and grime. And we're pairing it with our Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, which lays down that thick layer of suds to help you not only guide those abrasive particles off, but it speeds up your detailing process.
The thing I like about the Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon is it saves you a lot of time. It'll coat your whole car like in seconds, man, and then that'll leave us a lot of time to go get appetizers and breadsticks.
Sounds like I've got 2 big mouths here.
That's right. And big mouth to feed as well, so I hope that our reservation is going to be met here because we got to go there in like an hour.
So we're starting off by putting a dirt trap in each bucket, and this is going to help filter off the abrasive particles. Add a couple ounces of our Mr. Pink to our wash bucket and also use the same dilution for our foam cannon. Then we can get onto the body and start washing this vehicle.
Hurry it up, man. Mr. Pink, good choice, Nick. That's one of my favorite soaps.
So just finished adding 2 ounces to our wash bucket as well as 2 ounces to our foam cannon.
That's all great, Nick, but we got a reservation to meet. I gotta eat, so can we just not do the whole video and just do a montage, please?
So guys, we're gonna get into this regular routine wash that you guys have seen plenty of times before. But in the meantime, pressure washer, he's always gonna be watching me, giving me helpful tips as well as you guys on how to properly wash your car using the proper Chemical Guys method. And we're gonna get this car done.
Less talking, more doing, detailing. Gotta make sure you're going top to bottom and go fast. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry the heck up, Nick. We got a reservation at La Buca, and I'm not missing the antipasto. So you better take that big woolly mammoth towel and get that thing done because that thing speeds up your process, and we gotta go. Hey, what is that? It's getting bigger. It looks like a plane. Wow!
Pressure washer man. Well guys, that's going to conclude it for today, but if you want to check out any of the products that you saw us using today in the video, be sure to check out those links in the description down below. Don't forget to check out the pressure washer. This is an awesome new product. No batteries needed, and it's just a great way to hone your detailing skills. I love it, and maybe it should mention on the box, watch out for hawks. Just when it's outside, keep an eye on it. Whoa, there is a lot of in here. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.